Hello friends, today we are making a vegetarian dish, garbanzos in the oven and pistachio rice. I love the combination and I know you'll love it too. So let's go, let's get to it.
Preheat the oven and let's get the ingredients ready. Chop some pistachios, and to strengthen your bones, we're making some carrots. Grab some colorful options while peeling and trimming the edges. Now cut them into slices and set them aside. Trim and thinly slice one whole scallion. To finish prepping, grab some garbanzo beans and feta cheese. Line some foil on a baking sheet and lightly spray with oil. Drop the carrots in a bowl, drizzle with oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper and mix thoroughly. Evenly spread the carrots on the baking sheet and roast for 15 minutes or until fork tender. Drop the garbanzo beans in a bowl, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle some salt and cumin and stir. Saute it over medium heat. Add some roasted red peppers and cook until lightly browned around 5 minutes. Remove the carrots and place the beans in the oven. Now once you make this rice, you're going to fluff it with a fork, add the pistachios and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it well so the butter melts and combines all of those incredible flavors. After 10 minutes, the garbanzo beans are nice and crispy, so remove them from the oven and set them aside. Place all of the options in separate bowls and plate your dish as you please. Add the rice, garbanzo beans, carrots, drizzle with Greek yogurt, and garnish with feta cheese and scallions. I hope you enjoyed this vegetarian dish.